little herring. I guess it's just a young one. There is a lesser herring. There's a lesser blue herring, but I think that's just must be a young herring, a young blue herring, or something else. I'll have to look it up. Then they neat, little, big long neck. Neck's longer than his body. Pretty cool. Not too bothered by the people. I don't know what it's gray on the back, so I'm thinking it's a young blue herring, but oh, what do you catch something? I really don't know for sure what it is. I'll have to look him up.
Yeah, I'll get right on.
He said, "This is my fishing spot. What are y'all doing?" The lighting really good too.
Alright, you got me back to the mom voice from like 10 years ago.
Little guy. Get ready to have a rainstorm. Looks like he's been getting some food though. You're getting some food. Good fishing in there. Cousins in the other part of the pond. Where are you? I don't think you're not a blue herring or something else. I wanted to look this up. It's a cool little critter. What kind of herring are you? Storage on this phone. Maybe the only ones I know that are there's some cranes that are really tame. There's a sandhill crane. Maybe it's a young sandhill crane. Pretty neat. All right, I guess